Morning, class.
Good morning,
Good morning,
ma'am.
teacher.
How are you today?
We're good.
I'm happy that you are good today. Do we have an absent for today?
I think no, ma'am.
Yes, there's no absent for today's based on our based on our online class. Yan. Here are the present. Before we proceed to our discussion, I want you to read our classroom rules. Renafe, please read the class rules.
Class rules. Listen carefully. Respect others. Do not be noisy. Raise your hand to speak.
Thank you, Renafe. That is the class rules that you should follow here in our classroom. Now, do you still remember what we tackled yesterday? Class,
No,
do you remember
teacher.
our topic yesterday?
No, teacher.
Okay, you can't remember, but then I will show you a picture to see to remind what we tackled yesterday. What do you observe in the picture? Renafe?
It's
Renafe?
a disaster, teacher.
Yes?
It's kind of a disaster.
Yes, this is a kind of disaster. How about you, Kiana? What do you observe? Kiana?
It's different disaster or calamities.
Yes, okay, let's see if your answer is correct. Okay, that is a different kind of natural disaster. We have here a earthquake, landslide, tsunami, and volcanic eruption. Now, let's proceed to our discussion. But before that, I'm going to give you some activity. You're going to answer this. What have you noticed in the first and the second picture, Kiana?
It's a building picture, and then to the second picture, it collapsed. The building collapsed.
Yes, very good. In the first picture, we have a beautiful building, while the second picture has a damaged building. How about here? What do you think is the effect of volcanic eruption? Renafe?
The will be
The effect.
it can destroy it can destroy the nature, teacher.
Yes, it can destroy the nature. Let's see what is the other answer. So it says that the volcanic eruption can lead to loss of life, destruction of buildings, loss of jobs and businesses, and damage to transport networks, power, and water supply. It means that there's a lot of bad effect the of volcanic eruption. So do you have any idea what should we do to avoid those bad effect? Renafe?
Should we should be take care our natural nature, teacher.
Yes, you have a point that we should take care of our nature. But aside from that, today we will going to talk what should we do during, before, and after a volcanic eruption and earthquake. Here is our objective for this discussion. Kiana, please read the objectives.
Objectives: determine what to do before, during, and after earthquake and volcanic eruptions. 2. Compare what to do before, during, and after earthquake and volcanic eruptions. 3. Enumerate what to do before, during, and after earthquake and volcanic eruptions.
Very good. Are you excited to our discussion?
Yes, teacher.
Well, I'm happy that you are excited for our discussion. So, what to do before, during, and after earthquake and volcanic eruption? Are you familiar with PHIVOLCS?
Yes,
Yes.
teacher.
Okay. What do you think is PHIVOLCS?
It's a agency teacher that helps people.
Okay. Rena Fair has an idea about the PHIVOLCS. So, let's see what is PHIVOLCS. It says that the PHIVOLCS means Institute of Volcanology and Seismology. PHIVOLCS is an institution responsible in providing information on the activities of volcanoes, earthquakes, and tsunamis. So any kind of natural disaster, PHIVOLCS will going to inform to us to avoid those bad effects like loss of life, too much damage of building, and so on. So now we will going to know what should we do before an earthquake and volcanic eruption. Uh, bef- do before an earthquake happen. Renafe, please read.
For the first one, evaluate your house or building structure. Stock some food, pack potable water, and other necessary things. Conduct and participate in regular earthquake drills.
Thank you, Renafe. So, this is what should we do before an earthquake happen. First, we should evaluate your house or building structure. So, it's better that we should check our rooftop or the window if it's durable. Next, we should stock some food pack, potable water, and other necessary things. So, if ever that you have a chance to stock some food. Can you give me what should you do? What should you stock? What kind of food it is? Kiana.
Water, canned goods, noodles. That's all, teacher.
Wow, very good. That's right. That noodles, water are necessary because these are easy to eat. Then we should conduct and participate in regular earthquake drills. Do we conduct regular earthquake drills in our school?
Yes,
Yes,
teacher.
teacher.
Do you participate?
Yes,
Yes,
teacher.
teacher.
Okay, very good that you are participating in conducting of our regular earthquake drills. Now, we will going to talk about what should we do before a volcanic eruption happen. Kiana, please read.
Listen to the radio or people of authority for safety instruction. Prepare emergency supply like flashlights and first aid kit. Stock some food pack, portable water, and other necessary things.
Okay, thank you, Kiana. It says that we should listen to the radio or people of authority for safety instruction. We should keep update what really happened in our surrounding and take note to the people of authority because in sometimes in calamities there's a lot of fake or yes, fake that lead us in a danger. Next is prepare emergency supply like flashlight and first aid kit. So it's better that we should prepare an flashlight because if there's an example, we have a earthquake, sometimes the electricity will turn off. Then stock some food pack, potable water, and necessary things. So in a volcanic eruption, it's better that we should stock some food pack and also water and necessary things, and also the mask to against the ash fall. So, do you understand about what should we do before an volcanic and earthquake happen? Class?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Since did you since that you already understand this, let's proceed to during. Okay, this is what should we do during an earthquake and volcanic eruption. So let's proceed to the earthquake. So please read the during an earthquake happen. Renafe.
Stay calm. Do the drop, cover, and hold and go under the table or desk. Do not use elevators.
Okay, thank you, Renafe. So first, we should stay calm or don't panic to make ourselves come down and to think wisely what should we do next. Then do the drop, cover, and hold and go under the table or desk to against the falling things that might hit to our head. Then do not use elevators. Like what I said, sometimes if the during the earthquake, the electricity will lose, so it's better not to use elevator because it's more dangerous if we use an elevator. Did you understand?
Yes,
Yes.
teacher.
Okay. Now let's proceed to what should we do during an volcanic eruption. Okay, what should we
After,
do during an volcanic eruption? Kiana?
stay indoor. Cover your nose with a mask or damp cloth when volcanic ash or dust is present in the air. Stay in the evacuation center.
Okay, first we should stay indoors. So it's better or it's safe that during an volcanic eruption that we stay in our house with our family. Then we should cover our nose with a mask or damp cloth when volcanic ash or dust is present in the air. Although we are inside our home or outside, it's better that we should use anything that can cover for our nose and mouth to not inhale the ash. Then stay in evacuation center because in evacuation center that is the safest place for us. Okay?
Yes, teacher.
Now, now that you understand the what should we do during, now let's proceed to the after. What should we do after the earthquake and volcanic eruption happen? So, Renafe, please read. Renafe?
Ay, wait lang. When the earthquake is o- when is when the earthquake is over, work briskly to find safe place. Check the members. Check yourself and others from injuries.
Okay, when we are from the inside of any building, if ever, after the earthquake, it's better that we go outside. Then check the members. After the earthquake, it's better to check the member of our family or classmate or any people that surround us to if ever that there is missing, we can report it to the authority. Then check yourself and others from injuries. This is good that we should check ourselves and others from injury to ask help to the where you can ask help if ever that there's an injury. Kiana.
To the person who is a specialist in medical fields.
Okay, like
Nurses,
very good,
first
like nurse,
aider,
doctor, and first
doctor.
aider. Thank you, Kiana. Now let's proceed to what should we do after an earthquake and volcanic eruption. Wait, class. Wait. Okay, after an Okay, this is what should we do after a volcanic eruption happen. First, wait for instructions on when it is safe to return our home. Still in after a volcanic eruption, it's better that we should listen to the radio or cell phone if there's a signal to keep ourselves updated if what really happened to our surrounding, if it's safe to go back to our home. Then remove ash from your roof. Of course, after the volcanic eruption, it's better to remove the ash from our roof because those ash from volcanic eruption is very dangerous, especially for our health. Then, check if the electrical wirings at home are intact and safe. Then, let's check our wirings if it's good or not. It's better to keep our family safe. Now, I want to ask you class, do you understand our discussion for today?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, can you give me what should we do before an earthquake happen? Renafe?
Teacher, um, pack ready to eat food like noodles, canned goods, and also flashlight.
Very good, Renape. It's better to stock some foods like noodles, can, water, and it's better to bring a flashlight. How about you, Kiana? Can you give me what should you do after an earthquake happen?
I will wait for the instruction of person and authority if I can go back to our home.
Very good, Kiana. Thank you. I'm happy that you really understand what we discussed for today. Because you understand, now let's proceed to our group activity. Okay, for group 1, Renafe, you're going to answer that. And group 2 is for Kiana. Are you done?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, since you are done, let's answer for the group of Renafe. What emoticon I am? So, Renafe, please read the direction. Renafe?
Oh. Direction. Identify the following sentence if it is things that you should do before, during, and after a volcanic eruption. Put happy emoticon if it before and love emoticon if it during. And call emoticon if it should do after the volcanic eruption.
Okay, put happy emoticon if it before, ha- uh, love emoticon if it during, and call emoticon if after. Okay, for number 1, questions. Renafe, please read this.
Do not go back home right away. Wait for instruction or when it's safe to return home.
What is that? This
Call
is
emoticon teacher. Up,
what?
call emoticon
Okay, let's see.
after the
Okay.
eruption.
Okay, your answer is cool emoticon. So Renafi is correct. This is after. For number 2, what is this?
Listen to the radio or people or authority for safety instruction.
This is,
Ha- happy teacher.
so let's see if it's happy. So Renafi is very good again. It is happy. And for the last,
Do not go back home right away. Wait for instructions on when it's safe to return home in love.
okay, let's see if it's in love. So Renafe, wait, let's see. Okay, Renafe is correct. It means that Renafe got a all answer is correct. I'll give you Renafe and GCR a 5 badge. That good job. Now for Kiana's group, coloring me. Kiana, please read the direction.
Identify the following sentence if it is things that you should do before, during, and after an earthquake. Using crayon, shade the box of color red if it's before, yellow if it's during, and blue if it should do after volcanic eruption.
Okay, did you understand it, Kiana?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, color red if it's before, yellow for during, and blue for after volcanic eruption. So this is your task. Kiana, please read.
Check members of the family and seek help if someone is missing.
Okay, read it all.
Keep yourself updated and alert. Do not use elevators so that if power failure occurs, you may not be trapped. Conduct and participate in regular earthquake drills. Identify some potential source of hazards.
Okay, we're going to check your work and then I'll show the answer then check your work if it's the same.
It is the same, teacher.
Okay, send your work in our GCR then I'm going to give you a grade. So if it's the same, Kiana got a perfect score also. Now, wait. Okay. Now, I want to ask you, class, why do you think it's important for us to learn what should we do what should we do before, during, and after an earthquake? Is this important,
It's it
Kiana?
important, teacher,
Yes, teacher.
because we can make ourselves and other people safe.
Secure our family. Safety.
Okay, to make don't panic because we already know what should we do. I have a group individual activity here. That's it. So get your paper. Later, after you answer this, you're going to send this in GCR. But for now, you have to answer this. Kiana, please read the direction.
Individual activity direction. Enumerate the scenario and the picture before, during, and after earthquake using the given shape that front of the picture.
Okay, you're going